may have had to change your spark plugs at one point or another, but do you know why it's important? Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber to create engine power. Over time, all of those ignition cycles can wear down the plug's electrodes, causing a bad spark or no spark. This may cause your engine to not run as efficiently as it used to. Most spark plugs are designed to last anywhere from 50,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the metal used on the electrode. Spark plugs come in different types of metal, each with their own benefits: iridium, double platinum, platinum, and copper. Be sure to check your owner's manual or ask an AutoZoner which spark plug is best for your car. With proper care and maintenance, you'll most likely only be changing the spark plugs 2 to 3 times over the car's lifetime. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.